Hello, I'm at Dollar Tree right now and I'm trying to see what's new this week, and I'm gonna show you guys around. Inside the Dollar Tree, and look at a lot of cool stuff in here. Wow, that's nice. Nice Christmas tree, love. Little snow flake, little angel, and oh, is it LED light? Nope, it's not LED light. Ooh, nice bowl. This is candy cane I found, and look at that, it looks like spoon, and we can put hot chocolate, mix it, and when Nana comes then we can probably using this one. And sorry, I lose my voice on the video, so I'm over covering, and sorry about that. And this is a lot of candy and chocolate, and I was so excited, I was all over the place, apologize. And look at this cute gingerbread house. Of course I got them, I asking my son to get the card just in case. And here's a gingerbread man. They were so cute. I was so excited. That was broken half, so I was going to get the better one, other one. And look at this, it's $1, so I just got it right away. That was cool. And I'm looking for something not broken and looking around, and so exciting. I cover one thing and cover other stuff, that's usually when I'm excited, I do it all the time. And this is cute, so I got this one too. And look at this bunch of candy cane. Wow, they stuck, they're like stone, it was so hard. And I found like popsicle candies and like holiday designs, and like mixed, I think it was mixed nut, snack mix. And I found it like the candy, like popping up in your mouth, and like 3 packages for $1. That was really great deal. And look at this shelf, very nice, very clean. Wiggly, wow. The snowman LED light. Oh, nice. You see now this light? It's the same color. And penguins. And Santa. Oh, what is that, Elisha? It's light. Oh, nice. It's blue light and red and green. Oh, nice. This is not the outside. Oh, snowman. Too loud. This is cute. I think this light is so cool. It's only $1. That's cool. A lot of candies, and look at this Frozen 2. I was impressed. It was Frozen 2 movie hasn't come out, and they just released Frozen 2 candy. I think that would be great gift. So if you need it, you can stock up and stuff. And this is a Kool-Aid peppermint stick. 3 different color. I think it's different paper, so I thought that was cool. Now just keep looking around and look at this, very nice. And I was looking at the doorpost. Look at that, so beautiful and so nice. And my youngest one liked that, and we had that one for the cruise last year. But I like this one better, but I don't know, it was so cute, and the buffalo chick design, and this is the season, and I was excited, and I said, oh, let's get this one, and my oldest one came, and oh, I like this one better. I said, you know what, you won, let me get the other one. So I am going to get this one. It's cute though. But look at this, when we see that we got so hard, so we decide again which one's best, and younger goes this one, and older one said this one, and I said this is perfect. So because I gonna have to leave you back in, but I like this one much better. So nice. And look at this small elf, so cute. Even look at this truck. I thought it was so cute. I was almost getting it, but I don't know, I might get it next week, but I'm not sure. I gotta think about it, but I look at it right now, I like it much better. So nice. You know, I'm sure, so I will have a hard time to put it back in, but I made it. I made it. I love socks, and look at this snowman, gingerbread, Star Wars, and Santa Claus, and Minnie Mouse, and Mickey Mouse, and Frozen in the bottom, and look at this Snoopy, and we love this Snoopy. So we are trying to get this one. I was so excited about that. There are only a few left. That means probably a lot of people already get it, so I just grab it. And look at this, and I was so excited. And I look, and guess what I found? Look at this bell. It's Frozen again. I thought that was so cute. So for my boys. Hello, I just got from Dollar Tree, and I will show you what I got for now. And this is what I got from this one from, oops, not that way. Dollar Tree. I will show you what I got. Well, I showed you guys what I want to have, but you know, sometimes I have to keep cutting down. So I found Snoopy socks. Oops, sorry. Can you see better? Yeah, this is dollar, and we love Snoopy, holiday movies. We can pass them, and so cute, and have like, even they stock a lot. They have few left, so I have to grab it. I don't want to lose chance. So cute, and they both love it, so we can use this one for this season, and it's so cute. And I got this cutie pie gingerbread house. I'm not sure you can see. Gingerbread house. And look at detail. Can you believe this is $1? And this thing sold out so fast. Last year I was thinking, oh, can I get it like later? And I realized this one's selling really fast. So, and I cannot pass this one, so I just got it. And it was so cute. And also we got gingerbread. We got the gingerbread, and we put it in. It's 2 and 2, so it's a 4-piece. And last but not least is Tofu's Peace on Earth. This one I'm not sure it's really shiny, and I gotta put in the, my outside the front door, and you can see right here is I don't know, you can see the texture in here. They put but used to like put the grain and stuff, that kind of texture, and it's for like perfect size. And this one I didn't see last year. Maybe I can be wrong, but I didn't see this one last year. So this is, I believe this is the new one for this year, and I can wait to put this one on my doors. I know I only got holiday stuff, but last year what happened was I saw a lot of holiday stuff. I said, oh, this is great deal, this is great deal. I said, oh, I can buy later, and guess what? When I said, oh, it's the season, let's go get it, and all empty, all gone. So I said, you know what, when I like something, especially $1, I will just get it. If it was more than $1, of course I will stop. But it was only $1, it was worth it. Even look at this. It's this, like, where can you get this one from $1? Especially this time, even copies like 3, 5. Some copies like with a tax basket $6. You can get this one's cheaper than this. And I saw a lot of small gifts for the kid, and they have art and a lot of things. But today I think they're just starting to put a lot of people in and out. So I will show you guys later for the next video and show you guys around. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Ciao, ciao.